Come on, Benjamin. This way.
Bye. You ain't colorblind.
We is going for a walk in the rain. It's only drizzles, but like.
Goes up ahead. Hood.
Hood goes up, Benj.
I was literally
Hood
just doing
goes
the colorblind test. It does not work.
Why are you
Because
colorblind?
I got a little watch thing.
Ben, you're not colorblind. I'm not walking through the grass. Not in these shoes, boo boo.
I'm not wearing fancy shoes.
Look, I'm wearing, they're not even fancy, they're little palms. And I'm not walking through the grass in them.
I got my Adidas.
Adidas!
Adidas.
Adidas.
Wait.
My skirt's
Oh,
gone
for a
up.
minute I thought I was wearing like a Nike jacket and I was like, done.
Shh, don't shout. There are
Wait.
people around.
What do you call this? N-I-K-E.
Nike.
Nike.
Nike. You can't say anything right.
A-D-I-D-A-S.
After dinner, I did it. No, I needed a break from all that editing I was doing.
Hey, you know how
Because it are
sometimes
making more
C
room.
makes this sound?
Yes.
Yeah. After dinner I did a crap. Adidas.
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 You can't say it right.
Oh, it's creepy.
Telepathy.
Telepathy doesn't exist.
Yeah, it does. Clearly it does. You know, I'm starting to regret this walking in the rain idea we had.
Walking in the rain now, I don't really care.
Your hood's down. Put it up. Hide that Barnett. You look like that kid in the video. Do it again. Oh, my brother is that kid from the video.
That kid is like so weird. He's just like behind a door, just doing the fingers to himself. Well, not the finger.
Like
doing the
guns.
finger to himself. Oh. He was doing it to himself like 1,000 times.
Yeah, but it was like to the rhythm of the song. I just can't remember
Like,
the song.
dun, dun. I'd love to do it to the Rick Roll song. Dun, 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 dun.
You mean Never Gonna Give You Up?
Rick Roll song is what I like to call it. So
It's called Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Astley. Thank you. Although he's ginger, I'm not ginger.
She's actually brunette now.
It's because he got old. I mean, like, Never Gonna Give You Up was like in the 80s. Like, that's as old as our parents.
You know what I found?
What?
Every character Michael Keaton I know Michael Keaton's playing, they all have nothing in common. Batman, hero, Chick Hicks, villain, well, kind of villain, Car.
He's a car. Well, that is quite the opposite to
And
Batman.
then the Vulture from Spider-Man Homecoming.
Big bad guy!
Big bad guy who looks like badass. But
I look badass with my little mini skirt that keeps going up. I have to keep fixing my skirt.
I'm going to bet like €100 on everybody that Spider-Man's going to win in Spider-Man Homecoming. And the Justice League are going to win Justice League.
The hero always wins.
There's no point.
Except for that movie that I went to see,
What?
where the hero died.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We're not saying because spoilers.
Well, this one movie is kind of obvious that they win. Suicide Squad. The heroes, the villains won and lost. 'Cause
There were villains against even more villains.
Yeah, well, they weren't against even more. Was it not one? No, he also had big, huge brother man.
Oh yeah, but he didn't show up till like the last minute.
Yeah.
He was like, I have arrived. Oh, my sister has died. Oh!
No, he died first.
Vengeance.
He died with someone else. We're not, even though most people have already seen it, we're not going to give away who died with her.
Oh yeah, I remember now.
But like seriously, the beautiful Margot Robbie versus the beautiful Cara Delevingne, who would win?
I hate Cara Delevingne. You know that. I hate her so much.
brother after singing the song.
Stacey's mom.
Stacey's mom, yeah, and after singing the song, it's just, and then he's just like, and then she told me to, you know, just focus on everything else. Focus on me. Focus on me.
I regret showing you that video.
If I ever did her, I'd be a collection of every single song.
Look at him, he looks mad, doesn't he? He looks mad!
Yeah.
Oh god. I'm sad to say I'm related to that.
I know the way his hood was in the video, like it was showing the part of his hair.
Yeah, and his ears were sticking out. And he's like...
Like what the? My blue jacket.
My baby brother. Who's adopted. Ow, you bit me. Bad dog.
My name's Charlie.
No, it's not.
No,
It's
bit your
Benjamin.
finger.
His name is Benjamin.
No, it's not. Well,
Everyone
Franklin.
should call him Benjamin.
Franklin. It's not even full name.
Soft and neat.
It has a weird wig.
No, soft and neat.
It's soft and neat.
Oh, you haven't watched it yet. Oh,
What is it?
Dana Phil Crafts.
Oh no, I'm not watching that. I don't watch them.
I do.
I don't. You don't like crap.
They only uploaded a video on April Fool's Day.
Yeah,
It was
I
a joke.
It came up and I recommended
They did
them.
potato prints this year.
Yeah, I know.
And oh my god, it was so creepy.
How?
It just was. You have to
Wait,
watch it.
wait,
It was
wait.
creepy.
Don't say they said the TV line. Don't cry. Crap.
Dan said it at the end, but that was after a lot of creepy things happened.
How did creepy things happen?
It's like, you know, Don't Hug Me, I'm Scared. It gets all weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, that happened.
How?
It starts off nice and friendly, and then at the end you're like, what did I just
They
watch?
have blood and murder and hearts.
No, it wasn't that graphic.
It wasn't Don't Hug Me Upstairs then.
No, I just said, you know the way Don't Hug Me, I'm Scared starts off really nice,
Yeah.
and then it gets really weird. That's what happens.
But I love Don't Hug Me I'm Scared.
It gets really like effed up, so yeah. It was like, whoa. But anyway, everybody on loads of videos through YouTube, if you look in the comments, all you see is soft and neat.
Yeah, I know, right? That's why. Oh my god. I watched on April Fool's Day. I watched Jacksepticeye do a Q&A, and he was like, "Another soft and neat." Every time in the comment section, we're all again soft and neat. I blame you, Dan and Phil, for titling your video that.
It wasn't, it was called Potato Prints. They just said soft and neat in it a lot.
I just blame Dan and Phil.
It's like, what was it last year? Oh, I can't remember what it was last year. I know the first year was Don't Cry Craft.
Which is now their motto.
This is their slogan. It's their slogan. I can't remember what last year's one was.
But how come all of their videos looks like it's been filmed on potato?
So they probably use the computer instead. My skirt keeps going up because of my bag. Well, considering my bag is actually longer than my skirt. Like, look at that. It's actually longer than my skirt. Anyway, we're going to go to somewhere. We don't even know where we're going.
Yeah. Wait.
Walking into
When
the abyss.
I'll say something to name. The weirdest slogan in an ad. 3, 2, 1. Every VIP needs to
VIP.
Why did you say anything?
Because I couldn't think of one. You know when you do that 1, 2, 3 thing, my mind just goes blank. I don't know why, but I was going to say looking after you always. And I was like, why is that weird? Yeah, but that was the only thing in my head. 'Cause me and Abby were talking about it on Saturday, as you'll see in one of my vlogs. But we were talking about it, how it took us so long to realise that Leia stands for looking after you always, even though they said that at the end of every ad.
It is Leia Healthcare, looking after you always. It's not just in our name, it's what we do.
They don't say that.
They actually did once.
Did they?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I don't really watch healthcare ads.
It's come on TV when I'm in the middle of watching Fresh Prince.
Dude, what time is it anyway? We have no idea what time it is.
Monday the 3rd of April.
It is 10 to 6. Which means that when we go home, I have a Coney Jolly video to watch. Despite your hatred for them, I love them.
And when I go home, I have Jacksepticeye to watch. He already uploaded a video an hour ago.
Doesn't he upload like a load a day?
Nice!
He uploads so many. Oh my god, there's a rock on a tree.
I don't know about the rat.
If there was a rat, I wouldn't be going, oh my god. I'd be like, ah! Oh, that was a great view of my double chin there.
But I found a way to replace my head. That ad is also weird.
What?
Remember that ad where the little girl just like singing brilliantly and then
Oh, yeah.
ended up going ah, at the end.
Yeah, but if you actually heard what your man was saying, it was like everything sounds good in that car, so it means that it just sounded good in the car. Outside of the car, she sounded terrible.
Yeah, like everybody who was listening.
They were like, oh, because the parents were like, oh yeah, she's brilliant. And they were like, what? You do know your daughter sounds like a dying rat, right?
You're going to be the next Rihanna.
She can't sing, she can't dance, but who cares? She walks like Rihanna.
Yes, I'm pretty sure they're talking about Rihanna there. Oh my god. My friend played a trillion trick on me when we were playing Guess the Superhero. And he said, he went like this. He's the same strength as Hulk. And he's like, I'm pretty sure he's the exact same strength as Hulk. And you know, he looks exactly like Hulk.
Who was it?
Hulk.
It's a good one. You know when you said that whole strength thing, I instantly thought of The Thing.
Same! I thought the Thing a She-Hulk.
I just thought about The Thing, because he like, I actually think he's stronger than the Hulk.
Oh no! If you watch Superhero Bowl, you'd think differently. Like, Bruce Banner would like skin with a gun and turn it right into the Hulk, really angry, and like punch the Thing right through, and like a bunch of rock flew everywhere.
Yeah, but he's a Thing. You can't defeat the Thing.
Find the can. And I loved the human version that says flame on, and then Iceman came on in, flame off. The worst part was it was actually Chris Evans won the reason.
Well, yeah, he was the best.
Yeah, but you can't add him in like a complete Marvel. If they ever do Marvel versus DC, he can't be in it.
I know.
That's Captain America.
Yeah, but they were both Marvel.
Yeah, I know.
And Infinity Wars, Fantastic Four is going to be Infinity Wars.
They're not.
They are.
They're not.
I read it.
So well, that's wrong.
Well, fine then.
Because they're not a part of property Marvel. They're not.
Tell the international movie database that.
It's a bunch of bull crap.
Yeah, but Spider-Man is Sony.
Yeah, but he got moved over to Marvel.
Ha! Yeah, they could be moved over to Marvel. You don't know.
They're not.
They could be getting moved over to Marvel. He knows nothing. He's 11 years old. When he starts 11 years old.
That's actually in the song.
My sister told me I was wrong and she was right.
Even though I knew more than her.
Hey, no you don't.
I know more about superheroes than you.
No you don't.
Okay, name a song about superheroes that's by Chainsmokers.
I don't listen to Chainsmokers.
How come you know closer?
Because that's Halsey. I like Halsey. I don't like Chainsmokers.
There's
Oh.
more Chainsmokers than Halsey.
Yeah, but I still like Halsey, so.
Well, that's also Coldplay, so.
Haha, kiss my
The
ass.
song I'm talking about is also Coldplay. So.
I hate Coldplay, you know that.
Coldplay. Oh, we got really cold money here.
Shut up! Oh, you're worse than internet trolls.
Oh my god, it's such a big challenge to climb this wall.
I actually nearly fell. I tripped over the wall.
I want something just like this.
Yeah, but remember, Ben, I'm in a mini skirt.
It's like legal.
No, it's not. We're just climbing over a wall. The way we walk through this.
Like this.
You hear something?
And then the car flying at us.
No, I thought I heard my phone ringing. I'm just gonna make sure. No, you're right. I was wrong. Once again.
Why the hell are we walking the street venue?
You hear that? What is my phone? What the hell? I don't know.
It's unknown?
It doesn't have one. What the hell?
There you go.
Maybe it's this. It's telling me that I need water. Okay, try now.
Oh,
Yeah, it's gone. That's what it was. It's just my phone telling me I needed water. I think I broke my toe when I tripped. Do you know any other words to that song?
No.
I had a feeling.
I know Batman with his fists.
Hey, you might know more DC stuff, but I know more Marvel stuff.
No, you actually don't.
Yeah, I actually do.
No, I still know more Marvel stuff. I know more superhero stuff than you.
You're just a bad Marvel fan anyway.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
So we just went into Super Value. What'd you get?
Stinger, golf balls.
I got a drumstick there and some love hearts. So yeah, money well spent, right? It only costs like $1.30 for all of them put together. Yeah, he can stop, we're walking. Rules of the road don't apply to us. I need to keep fixing my skirt. I feel really bad for English people because they don't have a Super Value. It's an Irish thing.
I feel really bad for anyone but Ireland. They don't have a Supermax.
Oh yeah, Supermax is like the best place. I'll have to bring you there someday.
Most Irish people know.
It tastes so good. They do the best chicken wraps ever.
You can just walk up to London and show them. That's a little Supermax.
It's a mini Supermax. And we just walked up here to show you what Supermax looks like.
But we still have 10 cents.
What are we going to buy with 10 cents? You can't even get an ice cream for 10 cents.
You probably can. You can get the bottom of the cone with this little ice cream. Like literally just the tip of the coin. The tip of the coin. I said the tip of the coin. But you're a idiot. What the hell?
I don't even know. I'm odd, okay?
We should do skits like how Aurora comes over their videos.
How I came up with my video? I lay in bed, right, writing down video ideas that I found on the internet, and then I watched some of Zoella's videos, and I thought, oh, I'm gonna do March favourites, just cause, no particular reason there. I just felt like it.
Sounds like you were trying to say Hollywood girls last name. Yeah, Hollywood.
If I can't say something, I usually just go Now, we've got a little pond down here I want to show you. It's really cute.
And then you drop your phone into it.
I'm not dropping my phone into the pond. Abby said that as well when I was walking over the motorway. She said, you could drop your phone down there. And I was like, I don't want to drop my phone. This is the pond. It's so pretty.
Don't put it over.
Look at it. Look at it. So cute. And we've got some so cute. I'm on a bridge, just like, just so you know, there's houses there too. Not sure. Oh, there's a Stinger's bar in there.
What's a Stinger's? Oh! I'm wondering what's a Stinger's bar. I have it right in my hand. Where the hell is it?
Over there.
The one?
No, it's empty. It's just a packet. You can see my tights. Ben, hold my phone.
Oh, it still went!
Hold on, you can take over for now. Don't hold it that way.
It still doesn't matter.
It does because it turns out weird on my laptop.
Oh.
Yeah, so don't
How
play
about
with
this
the
way?
angle it's at. It's like playing with a girl's focus.
Focus on me.
I need to fix my skirt. So just
Take the phone back.
I can't. I'm fixing my tights.
Take it back.
No, I'm not letting the public see something they don't want to see.
Well, you're kind of in public doing it. Public.
It's just like my tights are
Hopefully,
falling down.
the man who's calling me monkey doesn't come up here.
He was kind of right. You do look like a monkey. Don't step on me. Look at my shoe.
Or that's the other foot.
No, that is the actual foot.
You keep changing the foot!
Okay, here's the thing. I hurt my foot yesterday or the day before.
So first it was your right foot, now it's apparently your left foot.
It's not. It's always been my left foot. I've been complaining of it being really sore for the past couple of days, and he keeps stepping on it. On purpose, I might add.
He's stepping on the other foot.
You don't.
It's the right foot, so I step on the left
I don't.
foot.
It's the left. See, I've said it there. Now you can quote me on that because it's recorded. Next time you try to tell me it's not. Where did I put my sweets? Dude, where did I put my sweets? Oh, that was my right foot. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll give you that much. Where did I put my sweets? I put my sweets.
I got two of them in the river.
It's a pond. Oh! I found my love hearts! And the rain is beginning again, so we better put them out.
Hey, where are
What? God. Anyway. And since I only got like one free hand, I need to, yeah, there we go. My lipstick's on it. My lipstick brings all the boys here.
you need a love heart.
No, my lipstick's on it.
Oh.
See?
It knows that you truly love the love hearts.
I love love hearts. They're so good. I love reading them, see what they say.
It's like having a secret boyfriend in the house.
Yeah. It's like secret notes. This one says my doll. Oh, thanks, babe. Considering I bought them. Yeah, sure. This is how you bargain, lads.
First off, big golf balls.
Now, I gave one love heart away for this.
Just I
Taxi, taxis, no stop taxis.
No, I deserve two.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I gave you a golf ball.
Fine, you can have two, but no more.
I think you'd like to say the taxi backsies before.
Yeah, taxi, taxis, no stop taxis.
You're backsy.
You put one in your mouth.
My doll. Aww. And
Oh, love bug.
just like me. What the hell does that mean?
What? I don't do.
Just me. That's being selfish. No, that's not a nice one.
Oh, sour.
If it said just you, it'd be nice.
Yeah. You'd be like, you're the only one on my mind, but it's kind of like, just me. I'm the only one that's allowed to be near you.
I'm sure there's gonna be another one for you now.
What's this one? Another love bug. I'm getting really nice ones so far.
I think that's just me.
These would be great if I had a boyfriend.
They're like the best Valentine's gift ever.
They are. For Valentine's Day, all you need to do is give me this and chocolate and I'll be fine. What's this one say? Tease me. Well, this took a turn.
Dirtiest people in the world. The person who made no heart there, savage.
What's this one? Bad boy. I'm a girl. But okay.
I watched a video by Markiplier called How to Be a Monkey at Chess.
How about you stop telling me about Markiplier's videos? They just weird me out. No offense to any Markiplier fans.
Well, there's one Jacksepticeye video called, well, I've told you about what it's called, but I never expected what it would be. You suggested it would be a horror video.
What was that?
Ah!
Oh yeah.
It was just a montage of him screaming.
Long ass video.
No, it's only 3 minutes.
But he screamed a lot more than that.
It was just us in screaming. Ah!
Lucky day. Okay.
If you get it just
Say what you want. I'm walking in the road. Not very lucky for me. Dude, like, what if my future husband isn't even born yet? You know how weird that would
He'll be
be?
16 years old. Well, almost 17.
Age is just a number, dear brother. Age is just a number. So there's that, and there's plenty of celebrities that go out with other people that are like 20 years younger than them.
Pedos.
Like you. Aww, I like you too, babe. I don't know who you are, but
I'm waiting for you to just get just me. Look how wet your phone is.
I know. My phone is literally soaked. I might have to put it away.
You're kind of sounding spoiled that you have 2 phones.
Yeah, but this one doesn't work properly. It's
How?
like sometimes it freezes and gets all weird.
No, it doesn't.
It did that for me, just me.
Ow! Ow!
My first bad one.
And it also kind of sounded like you're saying it only happens to just me.
It does. That's a nice shot of my hand.
No, I think your first bad one, bad boy.
Not really, because like if I was a guy, then yeah.
Okay, you're bad.
All mine. Oh, thanks, babe.
Imagine. You dirty, rotten person. Oh, thanks. No, they don't talk love hearts. One says just me.
I think that one says tease me again. Does that say tease me?
I think so.
What do you guys think?
I can barely see. It's backwards.
It's not. When I edit it, that's actually the proper way. Okay, the rain's getting heavier, so I'm going to put my phone away before it gets water damaged. So, me and Ben have gotten home. Safe and sound. Hi, Ben. Ben. He's over in the corner playing on his phone. My room is nice and clean since I had to, I was doing a room tour for Saturday. And I had to like super clean my room because it was so messy. But now I've got a little munchkin who's just going to mess it up even more with his cat hair. But he's so adorable, so I can't like, I have to let him on the bed. I'm not supposed to let him up the stairs at all. But you know, what my mother doesn't know won't kill her. I just remember to bring him down before she comes home. And considering Dad doesn't really notice, doesn't he know? I don't even think he notices. So now I am going to watch a YouTube video. Wait, first I need to click publish. I have just finished editing my video for tomorrow. Or today for you guys, whenever, yeah, well, it will be up at 5 o'clock on April the 4th. So, yay. Now, I am going to watch a YouTube video. Because of the fact it's like 8:30. I mean 6:30. Yeah, I said that wrong. Look at that. Can you tell what I'm watching now? Alright, so I'm going to watch that and let Ben play in the corner. So, bye.